How to search for homes and apartment on Airbnb. Are you guys facing issue to search for homes and apartment on Airbnb application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To start searching for places to stay, first of all, open Airbnb app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, make sure you are logged in into the account. From the home screen, tap on the search bar, which is usually located at the top of your screen. Tap on search bar. Now, in this section, enter your destination like Kathmandu, Pokhara, New York City, or California. After you enter your destination, next select your check-in and check-out dates. Then choose the number of guests staying, including adults, kids, or pets if needed. Tap search and Airbnb will show you homes and apartments available in the area. You can use the filter to find exactly what you want: entire place, price range, Wi-Fi, kitchen, AC, and washing machine. Once you can also switch to map view to explore location you visually and check distance from landmarks. Once you find a place you like, tap on it to see photos, reviews, and pricing the details. That's it guys, that's how we're gonna stay or search for homes on Airbnb application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye.